Hello Year 3, it's Mr. Brendan here, and I'm going to be introducing your first maths task for the week. Now most of this week we're going to be looking at time, going from units of measure in seconds all the way up to months. And it's just a review of what you were looking at last term. So, firstly we're going to look at seconds and minutes, and I just thought I'd remind you about what a second looks like, because when we talk about seconds, it really helps if we can understand how long they are. So I'm just going to push play on my stopwatch, and let's go up to 10 seconds, see how long that takes. 9, 10. Brilliant. Now then, as well as seconds, we're looking at minutes. Now, who can tell me how many seconds there are in 1 minute? Did you say 60? If you did, you're correct, and we're just past the 60-second part of this video. So you need to sort the activities written down into units of seconds or minutes. How long do you think they'll take? For example, brushing your teeth. Will that take seconds or minutes? Now for me, my mum always told me, brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes. So I would put brushing your teeth into the minutes category. So it'd go from here, you'd write it here. Don't cut them out, just write them in here in the right place. Now then, what about yawning? Now yawning, if you did a big yawn, is that going to take seconds or minutes? I think unless you're extremely tired, that would probably fall into the seconds category. So yawning would go into seconds. Okay, so complete this task by writing down the activities into the right boxes. Let's quickly turn to the next page you're going to do today, and this one is quite hands-on. It's going to be quite fun, this. So for this one you'll need a stopwatch, and as you've just seen, most phones these days have a stopwatch. Okay, looks like this, a stopwatch function where you push play and pause, and then you can even reset as well, so it goes back to 0. Or you might have one on your phone, or you might have a clock on the wall you could use if it's got seconds as well. So you're going to time how long all these activities take, but first you're going to guess, write down your estimated time for each activity. So drinking a glass of water, you need to write down how long you think that'll take you, then you will drink a glass of water while timing, and then write down the actual time. Okay, and you've got about 5 or 6, I think 6 activities there to estimate and then record the time for. Okay, so this is actually a bit like some inquiry work where you're almost doing a bit of an experiment and you're doing your maths as well. Okay, so like I said, the rest of the week we're looking at time as well. So after you've done today's tasks, you'll be nicely set up to continue on with your maths for the week. See you tomorrow.